Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today is like our 7 day challenge is the letter is S. And I wanna share S is there with like everybody. I wanna tell I'm calling from Toronto and they have like so many things in the S: success, sacrifice, surrounding, and I'm gonna talk about sacrifice, sport, and success. Let's like wait for 2 minutes. Like people are joining from all over, and we're gonna give like a couple minutes. Like if people are come in the room. Okay. And the thing is like if we are like talking about the success, the first thing, believing in yourself is the first step of success. If you push yourself enough to do things in yourself, nobody gonna do it for you. The greater thing never come from the comfort zone. The harder you work, the harder you struggle, the greater you will receive in the end of the day. Even if like think about Bill Gates said success is a lousy, success is a lousy teacher, it distorts and people thinking they can't lose it. They all successful people, they want more, they don't want to be like lose anything. Look at this, like virus came, everybody running out to create a vaccine, then they can make more money. But how many people we understand that kind of concept, or we are in that kind of success where we can get a pitch of money from that like kind of companies? We can't, but we are the one who are getting these things more. If we are saying it's a God's vision, or Guru Nanak Dev Ji say, the tongue is a like of a sharp knife. The tongue is of like a sharp knife. It kills even without dropping a blood. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤਨ ਮਨ ਫਿੱਕਾ ਹੋਏ, ਨਾਨਕ ਫਿੱਕੇ ਬੋਲੀਏ ਤਨ ਮਨ ਫਿੱਕਾ ਹੋਏ. If you think about your like little tongue can do more than you think even. For success, your time is limited. We are not a permanent on this earth. We need to make our steps. We need to start believing. We need to start dreaming. We need to do something different. We need to change ourselves. We need to make a choices. We need to take a chances. Everything is possible. Bigger lesson is a life. Think about like the small thing. Baby never scared from anything, anyone, or anymore from she gonna fall or he gonna fall. He will always ready to do things. But think about if like you're holding a baby, sometimes you do this, baby grab you, like how much energy the baby have. We need to ask, like when we are growing, we come under ego comforts. We think I'm the one know everything, I'm the one do this, or I'm the one who need everything. No, you have to learn to share with others, care for others. That's like why, find your why you are here, why God sent you. It's the biggest reason behind we never find our why. We never fulfill our purpose. We never see success. Success is your own definition. Like if like you are thinking like people have lots of money, they are success. I don't think so. People, they don't have anything, they think success. If they are happy, I think that's their own success, that's their success comfort zone. Believe your thing. And the last thing I gonna say, everything is a possible if you believe yourself. Spot your weaknesses and work for them, work for it, and make a change. Think about like what kind of struggles you are in. Don't like take it serious. Come out from that comfort zone. What is a struggle? Struggle is your own thinking. Sometimes it's a small thing. Like some people now, if I gonna say, they stuck in like a overseas here and there. We are thinking this is a struggle. No, you have to enjoy your moment. This is the time God gave you to fulfill with the other ways. But like if we are thinking all negative, everything is going to be stressed out and your body is giving up on you. You will feel sick. But if you think whatever, we gonna be stay positive. We have to be like enjoy that moment. Developing your own strength is like very narrow. If you wanna work for that, or you're looking to work for that, you wanna create a legacy for your family and you wanna enjoy your moments, whatever, wherever you are, contact me. I'm looking entrepreneur or moms or dads who want to change their lifestyle and help their families. Contact me. I will tell you whatever I'm doing. I will help from my heart. Don't be struggle with the things, small things. Learn to enjoy it. Success is a great. This world is a great. Thankful for every moment. Thank you very much for today. I'm leaving you here for that. Like S, what is your S? Find it and share with me. I love to motivate others. Thank you. Bye bye.